Today we discuss on a topic allegation and mixture. We discuss on topic allegation and mixture. Now we will start. In what ratio must rice at 9.30 per kg be mixed with rice at 10.80 per kg so that the mixture be worth 10 per kg? Here two quantity of rice are mixed and their mixture is sold at 10 rupees per kg. Now find the ratio. Then rice 1. Here cost price of rice 1 is 9.30 and cost price of rice 2. Rice number 2 is 10.80. Here two rice mix and their mixture is sold at 10 rupees per kg. Now here we write the subtraction of this. Here we write 10.80 minus 10 and here we write subtraction of this 10 minus 9.30. Here subtraction is 0.80. As to here subtraction is 10 minus 930.70. Then their ratio is 0.80 to 0.70 is 8:7. Then these two rice are mixed in the ratio 8:7. 930. This price of rice take 8 kg and this price of rice take 7 kg. Your ratio is 8:7. Next. Here, in what ratio must rice at 240 per kg be mixed with rice at 280 per kg so that the mixture be worth 260 per kg? Here two type of rice. Rice 1 is price is 240 per kg, 240 rupees per kg. And rice 2 price is 280 rupees per kg, 280 rupees per kg. Now mix this rice and then this mixture sold at 260 rupees per kg, 260 rupees per kg. Now we here write subtraction of these two. 280 minus 260 is 2 and here we write subtraction of these two. 260 minus 240. Subtraction is 20. Subtraction is 20. Here subtraction is 20. Now now the ratio is 20:20. That is 1:1. Then these type of two rice are mixed in the ratio 1:1. 1:1. Here subtraction we write here and here we write here. Next, what the ratio must rise at 50 per rupees kg be mixed with rice at 20 per kg so that the mixture worth rupees 16.50 per kg. There are two type of rice. Rice one is 15 rupees per kg, 15 rupees per kg, and rice two is 20 rupees per kg. Are mixed. Then here, right here, the subtraction of these two. And here write subtraction of these two. Here subtraction is 3.50. Here subtraction is 1.50. Now the ratio is 3.50 as to 1.50. That is 35 as to 14. Then your ratio is 7 as to 3. Next, how many kilograms of rice? Here, how many kilograms of rice costing 6.60 kg, 6.60 rupees per kg should be mixed with 15 kg of rice costing rupees 9.60 per kg, so that the cost of the mixture becomes 8.20 per kg, so that the cost of mixture becomes 8.20 per kg. Here there are two quantity of rice. Rice one is 6.60 rupees per kg, and second type of rice is 8.20 rupees per kg. These two rice are mixed. They 9.60. 9 rice 2 is 9.60 rupees per kg. These two rice are mixed, and then it mixture will be sold at 8.20 rupees kg. Here that type of rice, quantity of that type of rice is 50 kg. Here rice 2 quantity is 50 kg. Then find rice 1 quantity. Here quantity of rice 1 is x. Find out here, and rice 2 is 56 kg. Now we write subtraction of these two here, 9.60 minus 8.20, and now the subtraction of these two here. Now this two 8.20 subtraction here 1.40 and subtraction of these two is 1.60. Subtraction of these two is 1.60. Okay? Then here ratio of these two quantity. Here ratio of these two quantity is 1.4 as to 1.6. that is 14 as to 16, that is 7 as to 8. 7 as to 8. Then rice 1 and rice 2 quantity, ratio of quantity is 7 as to 8. Then here rice 1 quantity, rice 1 quantity is x and rice 2 quantity is 56. Here their ratio is 7 as to 8. If we cross multiple, take cross multiplication, then find ux, or 8 7s are 56, then 7 7s are 49. Here 56, 8 7s are 56, then 7 7s are 49. Then rice 1 quantity is 49. Or if we cross multiple here, then find x. Or if you write here x into 8 is equal to 56 multiplied by 7. Then x is equal to 56 into 7 divided by 8. X is equal to 49. Your x is 49. Then quantity of rice, which price is 6.60, is 49. Quantity of rice 1 is 49. Next, how many kilogram of rice costing rupees 37 per kg should be mixed with 25 kg rice or 25 kg of rice costing rupees 48.40 per kg, so that the cost of mixture become rupees 40 per kg. So that cost of mixture become 40 rupees per kg. Here we write two quantity of rice. Rice 1 is costing rupees 37 rupees per kg, and rice 2, here rice 1, here rice 2, cost is rice 2 cost is 48.80 rupees, 48.40 rupees per kg, 48.40 rupees per kg. Here two rice are mixed, then your mixture is 40 rupees per kg. Here quantity of rice 1 is find out, and quantity of rice 2 is given 25 kg. Quantity of rice 1 is x and quantity of rice 2 is 25 per kg. Now here we try subtraction of these two. 48.40 minus 40, and here write the subtraction of these two. 40 minus 37. Here subtraction is 8.40 and here subtraction is 3. The ratio of these two rice, ratio of rice 1 to rice 2, is 8:4 as to 3, that is 84:30. Then we divide by 3. 14 as to 5. Then ratio is 14 as to 5. Then rice 1 quantity x and second quantity is 25. Then here rice 1 and rice 2. quantity of rice 1 rice 2 in the proportion 14:5. Then rice 1 quantity find out करायचे. Rice 2 quantity is 25 and their ratio is 14:5. Their ratio is 14:5. Then 5 5s are 25. Then 14 5s are 70. Then 14 5s are 70. Then rice 1 quantity is 70 kg. Rice 1 quantity is 70 kg. Then your answer is 70 kg. Then your answer is 70 kg. Next. A merchant has 1000 kg of sugar, part of which he sells at 8% profit. Some part he sells at 8% profit and the rest at 18% profit. Rest at 18% profit. He gains 40%. He gains 40% on the whole. Whole gain is 40%. The quantity sold at the find quantity sold at 18% profit. Find the quantity sold as 18% profit. Total sugar is 1000 kg. Total sugar is 1000 kg. Now find here we write there are two type of sugar. One type is sold at 8% profit and second type is sold at 18% profit. Then sugar 1 is sold at 8% profit and sugar 2 18% profit. If these two sugar are mixed and then overall gain is 40%. Overall gain is 40%. Now we write here the subtraction of these two is 2. As to subtraction of these two 6. Subtraction of these two is 4. 18 minus 14 is 4. 18 minus 14 is 4 and 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. Then ratio is 2:6. Then sugar 1 is sold at 8% profit and sugar 2 is sold at 18% profit. Then their ratio is 2:3. Their ratio is 2:3. Overall quantity is 1000 gram. Then find the quantity sold at 18% profit. Then find the quantity sold at 18% profit. Now find this quantity. Now we write here total sugar is 1000. Total proportion is 5. Then find 18% profit sugar into 3. Their proportion is 3. 200 into 3 is 600 kg. 600 kg. Then 18% profit sugar is 600 kg. 600 kg. Now next. Here, a merchant has 20 kg of sugar, part of which he sells 10% profit and the rest at 18% profit. He gains total 12% gain. he gains 12% on the whole. The quantity sold, find the quantity sold at 18% profit. Find the quantity sold at 18% profit. Here there are type sugar type are two. Sugar 1, sugar 2. Sugar 1 Sugar 1 is sold at 10% profit. Sugar 2 is sold at rest at 18% profit. Sugar 2 is sold at 18% profit. Then here mixture with whole gain. It gains whole gain. Total gain is 12%. Total gain is 12%. Now we write subtraction of these two here. Subtraction of these two here is 18 minus 12 is 6 as 2. 12 minus 10 is 2. Then ratio is 3 as to 1. Then the ratio is 3 as to 1. Sugar 1 and sugar 2 ratio is 3 as to 1. Sugar 1 and sugar 2 ratio as 3 as to 1. Ratio is 3 as to 1. Now total sugar is 200 kg. Then total proportion is 4. Now which quantity is find 80% profit. 80% profit is sugar 2 into 1. 80% profit is sugar 2 is equal to 1. $50 kg. Now 18% profit is sugar is 50 kg. Here one quantity of wheat at rupees 930 per kg mixed with another quantity at certain rate in the ratio 8 as to 7. In the ratio 8 as to 7. If the mixture so formed be worth rupees 10 per kg. Be worth rupees 10 per kg. What is the rate per kg of the second quantity of sugar? Here find the rate of second quantity of sugar. Now here we write first quantity of wheat. Second quantity of wheat. Here wheat 1 W1 price is 9.30 and quantity of second wheat is X. Then these two quantity mix. And sold this mixture as 10 rupees per kg. Here we write subtraction of these two. And here we write subtraction of these two. Then X minus 10 as to 10 minus 930 is 0.70. Then this quantity ratio is given 8 as to 7. This ratio is given 8 as to 7. Now we write here X minus 10 divided by 0.70 is equal to 8 by 7. Then here we write 0.77 is same 8 by here we write 7 1 the 7, x minus 10 is equal to 4 by 5. Then solve it. X minus 10 is equal to 4 by 5. Then solve here. Now we write x minus 10 is equal to x minus 10 is equal to 4 by 5. Here x minus 10 is equal to 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Here cross multiple here. 5x minus 50 is equal to 4. Then 5x minus 50 is equal to 4. Then 5x is equal to 54. X is equal to 10.8. Here x is equal to 10.8. Here x minus 10 is equal to 0.70. Here 70, 7 1 7, 8 by 10 is equal to 4:5. Then 5x minus 50, 5x minus 50 is equal to 4, and x is equal to 54 by 5. Then your answer is 10.8. Your answer is 10.8. Here your answer is 10.8. Now we solve this equation here. X minus 10 is equal to 4 by 5. Cross multiply here. 5x minus 50 is equal to 4. 5x is equal to 54. X is equal to 54 divided by 5. X is equal to 10.8.